What's up, everybody? Tiffany Outdoors here. Today I'm going to be doing a few things with the camper that I probably should have done before now. So here we go. There's the Hawk. Before there was a Tiffany Outdoors, there was Tiffany the Farmer.
On a U-turn when possible.
No, we're not U-turning.
Hi. Hi, what are you doing? Hi, boo.
What? Okay, in addition to cleaning up the windows, which I'm going to continue doing, and cleaning out the 2 jack stands that I've already removed, I'm going to plug this into some power. I have an electric cord. I forgot that when I bought this, the guy had given me an adapter to hook this up to a regular 120 outlet. So I went in, made sure everything was off, and guys, I don't know if I still need to put a battery in this in order for the electrical stuff to work. I don't know. Or will it work off of just shore power? Does anybody know? I don't know. But anyway, we're going to try this out. I'm a little nervous, but I'm going to do it anyway. Alright, I got my cord here. And if I can get this off now. But this is the adapter that he gave me, so I can plug that into that. I just don't know if I need a battery in here, a house battery. Okay, it's connected. Now I know I tried to do some power stuff with my truck and none of the lights worked, but maybe that 7-way only controls the exterior lights, like the side markers, the turn and turn signals and stuff like that. I don't know, but now I got it hooked up to shore power with that power. Let's see if I can get anything to turn on. Alright, let's see. This light here. Anything? Nothing. Okay. Let's try this light. Nothing. What about the microwave? Oh! Hey! Okay, the microwave works. Sweet. Okay, the lights don't work. The microwave works. Okay. Cool. Alright, what about this? This here is the one, this switch here does your, you see where it says the black tank, gray tank, freshwater tank. Let's see if the water pump will turn on. Nothing. Okay. And you'll see that the whole thing's all rotten. But okay, nothing there. Now I'm going to turn my attention here to the refrigerator. Okay, I got it off. Now this runs off of, I guess, gas, which is propane, or electricity. Let's see. I don't hear anything. Nope, I don't hear anything. Okay, so maybe the refrigerator may not work, but I can also test the refrigerator another way. Let's see what else. Let's see, we've got, there's a gas detector and that there. Let's see, then we got this panel here, which is like, let's see, maybe I need to turn it to, oh, y'all, lights came on. The lights work. Got a light there, the light over there, light back there works, okay. Now let's try the refrigerator again. Nope. I don't hear anything. Okay, so I'll turn that back off. There's another way I'm going to test the refrigerator, guys, so all is not lost there yet. The LP gas detector down here, I'm going to press this reset. See if that turns anything on. I don't see a green light. So maybe that does not work. I don't know what these do. I need to do some research. But we've got power. We do have power. That's exciting. So the lights do work, but I do want to put in LED lights, some brighter lights, because these lights are kind of soft. You know, LED is a lot brighter and low heat and low electricity use, and gives off a lot brighter light. Oh, that's exciting. Ooh, okay, let's see. Bathroom, let's see. Got the light in here. Let's see if the light in here works. Oh, like this, which is here. Just turn it on. And it works. Nice. Okay. So I'll turn that off. And this back porch light, which is right here. Let's see. Oh, that works. Oh gosh, that's exciting. Okay, now, oh, both lights, okay. Both lights do work. So we got off, one bulb, two bulbs. Okay, awesome. All right, so the refrigerator, I need to go around the outside and test that. I forgot to check one more thing, the air conditioner. Let's see if that works. Now the air conditioner needs 30 amps. So I have it hooked up to a 20 amp. I don't have a 30 amp connection. Let's just see if it turns on. It does. It turns on. The air conditioner works. All right. Now it turns on. I don't know if it cools. How long should I let it run? That'd be the question. Oh. Oh yeah, it's cooling. Yes. Okay. All right. The air conditioner works. This is exciting, y'all. I'm kind of excited. Okay, now the refrigerator. Let me go get the plug. Now the refrigerator you can plug directly into 120. So let me go get something to prop up the wire and be right back. Look who came out here, y'all. So.
Come to inspect to see if you're actually doing any work out there or not.
The inspector has arrived. So
I do plan on helping with this once we get to the decorating part of it.
Oh yeah. Mm-hmm. Y'all know how many times I said I'm out here by myself. I don't have anybody to help me, so I gotta do what I gotta do.
You've been selling them that? look, I'm willing to help. It's just it's either too hot or like right now it's a little cool.
Oh my God. Always with an excuse. And a little girl came out too. There goes a little girl. She's getting ready to do her business, y'all. Y'all don't want to see that. All right. Back to this. So I have my drop cord up here, and I'm going to take the plug is right there. I'm going to plug it in here, and then I'm going to go inside and see if this works. Fingers crossed. Okay, got it plugged in. Let me go turn it on and see what happens. Alright, so the refrigerator so far is not working. Alright, y'all, I'm so excited. So excited that things in this camper really do work. I didn't test the stove. I mean, it's a propane stove. I mean, I'm not expecting that to not work. There's nothing mechanical or electrical about it. It just runs off propane gas. So I'm expecting that to be okay. I don't have the tank in here. I took the tank out already. But what I am going to do tonight is download the owner's manual for this camper and see if I can find any information about the refrigerator and see if there's anything that I can do to test it to see if it's actually any good anymore. So I'm going to do that tonight. But in the meantime, I'm going to put that cover back on. Y'all, there's so many dirt dauber nests in there. It is really gross. I mean, it is disgusting. It's like, ugh. Ooh. There's a lot of dirt dauber nests in there. It's, ugh, ugh. I don't even want to think about it. It's really gross. Okay. Alright, let's back up. Alright. Okay. So, yep. It's almost all systems go. Almost. Very close. Alright, y'all. I know this was like a quick one. I just wanted to come out here and test this stuff while I'm still doing some more research. And I think within a couple of videos here, we'll start demoing and getting things cleaned up, renewed, remade, and all of that good stuff. But if you haven't already, click that like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.